Fix CG FC200 Error 0602. Account not exist problem solved step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted destination for everything automobile diagnostics, ECU programming, and advanced repair solutions. Before we jump into today's troubleshooting guide, here's a quick but important note. This video is created purely for educational and informational purposes. Every explanation, demonstration, and step we share is designed to help technicians, mechanics, learners, and enthusiasts understand vehicle diagnostics and software programming more clearly. We strictly follow fair use guidelines. Any images, clips, or references that may appear are used only for educational review, never for commercial gain. And as always, all trademarks and brand names remain the property of their respective owners. Please make sure you follow official manufacturer instructions and comply with your local rules and regulations whenever working on vehicles or software systems. Now, here's a question to get us started. Have you ever tried logging into a diagnostic tool or automotive programmer and suddenly faced a frustrating error that says your account does not exist, even though you know you created one? What do you think usually causes these account login issues in specialized diagnostic tools like the CG FC200? Drop your guesses in the comments below. I'd love to see what you think, and it'll be interesting to compare your answers with today's solution. Before we move ahead, a quick request from me to you. Most people watch Baabji Motors videos, but forget to subscribe. It only takes a second, yet it makes a huge difference. Subscribing is free, but it keeps this channel alive and motivates us to create more problem-solving guides, just like this one. So here's a fun challenge. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within the first 24 hours. If you find this guide helpful, smash that like button, share your experience in the comments, and if you truly value our work, consider sending a super thanks to support the channel. Now, let's get into the actual problem and its solution. So, let's talk about the error itself. Many users of the CG FC200 tool have reported encountering an error code labeled as 0602. The message attached to this error says something like, "Account does not exist." It usually appears when you try to reset your password, log in, or bind your account to the FC200 software. Imagine setting up your workbench to run a diagnosis or perform ECU programming, only to be locked out because the software won't recognize your account. That can be extremely frustrating, especially if you're working under a time limit with a customer's vehicle waiting. Now, what could be causing this? Often, this problem arises from outdated software or misconfigured settings inside the FC200 app. In some cases, the server settings are pointed to the wrong region or language, which prevents proper connectivity between your local application and the company servers. Other times, the error pops up when a user hasn't properly re-registered or rebound their account after a software update. Whatever the trigger, the end result is the same. The software refuses to recognize your login credentials and blocks your access. So how do you fix it? Let's walk through the solution step by step. First things first, you need to close the FC200 software completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it's fully shut down. Then, head over to the official FC200 website and download the latest version of the application. Outdated apps are often the #1 cause of login issues, so getting the newest version is a critical first step. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and install the latest application on your system. After installation, launch the software as usual. At this point, you need to pay attention to the settings. Look at the top right corner of the interface, where you'll find the settings menu. Inside, change the language and server to match your region correctly. This is an important step because sometimes the app defaults to a server that doesn't match your account's region, causing the account does not exist error. After making these changes, restart the FC200 app. Don't skip the restart. It refreshes the software configuration and ensures that the new server and language settings are properly applied. If you're still facing the same issue, here's what you need to do next. Try to bind or register your account again. Many times, the account exists on the server but hasn't been properly bound to the local application after a reinstall or update. By going through the binding or registration process again, you allow the software to recognize your credentials and sync correctly with the server. This step-by-step process of reinstalling, Adjusting settings, restarting, and rebinding usually resolves the 0602 error for most users. But remember, patience is key. If it still doesn't work after all of these steps, double-check your internet connection, firewall settings, or even try reinstalling on another PC to rule out local system issues. Now, let's quickly recap what we just covered. The CG FC200 Error 0602 usually shows up when you try to reset your password, and the app throws back a message that your account doesn't exist. The solution involves 4 main steps. Download and install the latest version of the app, change the settings for language and server, restart the app, and if necessary, rebind or re-register your account. Follow these carefully, and your login issue should be resolved. And that brings us to the conclusion of today's guide. Remember the question I asked earlier? The common cause of login errors like account does not exist is often outdated software or incorrect server settings. So, if you guess that outdated applications or misconfigured settings are behind the issue, you were absolutely right. Personally, I think these kinds of errors highlight just how important it is for diagnostic tool companies to keep their update and registration systems simple and user-friendly. Tools like the CG FC200 are incredibly powerful, but when the software side causes delays, it can frustrate both technicians and customers. I'd love to hear your perspective on this. Have you ever faced a similar login or connectivity issue with diagnostic tools? Share your experience in the comments below. I always enjoy reading your stories and tips. Before we wrap up, here's a quick extra tip for all the technicians out there. Whenever you install or update software for diagnostic tools like the CG FC200, always take a moment to check the server region and language settings. Misalignment here is one of the most common but overlooked causes of connectivity problems. Adjusting these settings before logging in can save you a lot of time and prevent unnecessary headaches. So, that's it for today's troubleshooting guide. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment with your experience, share the video with others who might benefit, and subscribe to Baabji Motors for more helpful automotive content. Let's smash our target of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the first 24 hours. And if you really want to support the channel, consider using the Super Thanks option. It helps us continue bringing you detailed, problem-solving guides like this one. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. And as always, happy diagnosing.